We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following areas: northern D.C., southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Prince George's County, north central Arlington County, and northeastern Fairfax County until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was recently spotted over McLean, pushing east at 30 miles an hour. The dangerous storm will be near Arlington at 8:55, Bethesda, American U, Friendship Village and Georgetown around 9, Fort Totten and Chevy Chase at 9:05, Langley Park, Tacoma Park, and Hillendale at 9:10, Hyattsville and Adelphi around 9:15. Repeating tonight, a tornado warning in effect until 9:15 for the Northern District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Prince George's County, north central Arlington County, northeastern Fairfax County. The time is now to take cover in those areas for this tornado warning.